For what? Is it for Eba? Is it for Gary? Is it for beans? I don't know.
Est-ce que les bébés
What? Shay! Shay! Shay!
He shot you!
Run!
Funny people.
I know it feels good.
What are you saying? See, I will help this girl. Let us go and help this girl. What are you saying? Let us go and help her. Eh? And she's pregnant. Let us help her.
Hello. It's like I have a little problem in my ear. I did not hear what he said. He said what?
See, let us help this girl. And she's pregnant. Look at how she's lying here. Under this hot sun. Let us help her.
Do you know this girl?
No.
Do you know where she's from?
No.
Do you know anything or her whereabouts?
No.
And you want to go and help her?
For what?
See. You cannot convince me. It's not must we will know somebody before we help him or her.
You can be
You have every
prosecuted
right
for
to
that.
help somebody. Try and be your brother's keeper.
Well, let's be going where we are going to. I don't know what you are doing. I don't know the meaning of this. Let's go to where we are going to.
See, wait for me here. I'm coming.
What? Shay! Shay! Shay!
Hey, this girl is so beautiful. Hey, this pregnant woman, she's so.
This man!
And I hear that a pregnant woman do the sweet.
Yeah!
I don't understand. You say what?
Pregnant woman, and then the sweet pass. Now, what I hear?
Is it for Eba?
Maybe my ear might be misunderstanding something, but I'm trying to understand here that you are trying to tell me that she can cook sweet food.
What are you talking? You are why food all the time? I'm talking about that way now. Sweet in the middle.
Wait. What? Don't tell me that you are planning to take this girl home. Don't tell me that you are planning to take this girl to our home.
Bam! I will take her home and help her. After helping her, she will help me.
No, what? Come back. Don't try this, oh. Don't take her to our home, because I won't accept that kind of nonsense. Don't say I don't want you.
Okay, I take this machete. Go home. I must help this girl. I am going to help this girl no matter what.
What?
Go home.
What? Stay back. Let's go to where we are going to.
Go home.
Yay! No! No!
Hey! Now this girl fine, no? See how beautiful this girl is. And she's pregnant. Hey! And I heard that a pregnant woman to the sweet.
You be mumu.
I hear that. Na pregnant woman, na then the sweet pass. Hey, I must help this girl so that if I help her, she will help me. Hey, I'm going to help her.
The blood of Jesus.
Wetin be this? Wetin be this? Wetin be this? Jesus.
Photo, not be juju be that.
Get it? If you don't get it, forget about it.